Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing about 20 teachers' mistakes in classroom management and how to fix them. Classroom management is crucial for creating a positive and productive learning environment. Here are 25 common mistakes teachers may make in classroom management, along with suggestions on how to address them. 1. Inconsistent expectations. Mistake: setting inconsistent rules or expectations. Fix: clearly communicate and enforce consistent rules and expectations from the beginning. 2. Lack of clear procedures. Mistake: failing to establish and teach clear routines and procedures. Fix: explicitly teach and practice classroom procedures to ensure smooth transitions and organization. 3. Ignoring relationship building. Mistake: neglecting to build positive relationships with students. Fix: take time to get to know your students, show interest in their lives, and create a supportive classroom community. 4. Overlooking individual needs. Mistake: ignoring the diverse needs of students. Fix: differentiate instruction, provide accommodations, and offer support tailored to individual learning styles and abilities. 5. Ineffective discipline strategies. Mistake: relying solely on punitive measures. Fix: implement a mix of positive reinforcement, corrective feedback, and restorative practices to address behavior issues. 6. Lack of engagement. Mistake: allowing lessons to become monotonous or uninteresting. Fix: incorporate varied teaching methods, interactive activities, and real-world connections to enhance student engagement. 7. Failure to set clear goals. Mistake: not establishing clear learning objectives. Fix: clearly communicate lesson goals, and connect them to the broader curriculum and student relevance. 8. Ignoring student input. Mistake: disregarding student opinions and preferences. Fix: encourage student voice and involve them in decision-making processes, fostering a sense of ownership in the classroom. 9. Inadequate time management. Mistake: poorly managing instructional time. Fix: plan lessons with realistic timeframes, prioritize essential content, and create a schedule that minimizes disruptions. 10. Lack of consistent consequences. Mistake: failing to follow through with consequences. Fix: consistently enforce consequences for both positive and negative behavior, ensuring accountability. 11. Overlooking classroom environment. Mistake: neglecting the physical and emotional classroom environment. Fix: create a positive and organized space that promotes learning and respects students' emotional well-being. 12. Ignoring nonverbal cues. Mistake: overlooking nonverbal cues from students. Fix: pay attention to body language and address any signs of confusion, frustration, or disengagement promptly. 13. Overloading students. Mistake: assigning too much homework or overwhelming students. Fix: consider the workload, provide clear instructions, and ensure tasks are age-appropriate and meaningful. 14. Neglecting flexibility. Mistake: failing to adapt to unexpected changes. Fix: Be flexible and have alternative plans in case of disruptions, technology failures, or other unexpected events. 15. Ineffective communication. Mistake: communicating unclearly or infrequently. Fix: establish open lines of communication with students, parents, and colleagues, and use various mediums to convey information effectively. 16. Lack of positive reinforcement. Mistake: forgetting to praise and reinforce positive behavior. Fix: acknowledge and reward good behavior, fostering a positive and supportive classroom culture. 17. Inconsistent classroom rules. Mistake: having too many or unclear rules. Fix: simplify and clearly communicate a few essential rules that are easy for students to understand and follow. 18. Ignoring mental health. Mistake: overlooking students' mental health and emotional well-being. Fix: be aware of students' emotional needs, provide support, and create a safe space for expressing feelings. 19. Underestimating technology. Mistake: ignoring the potential of technology in the classroom. Fix: integrate technology effectively to enhance learning experiences and engage students. 20. Overlooking student interests. Mistake: disregarding students' interests and backgrounds. Fix: incorporate students' interests into lessons, making learning more relevant and engaging. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.